Hey there, sales champs! Ready to transform your cold calling game in just 2 minutes? Let's dive in. First up, preparation is key. Do your homework. Research your prospects thoroughly, know their company, their role, and any recent news about them. This helps you tailor your pitch and stand out from the crowd. Next, create a killer script. Map out your opening lines, key points, and questions you want to ask. A solid script keeps you on track and ensures you cover all the important bases. Anticipate objections. Think about common concerns your prospects might have and prepare confident responses. This shows you're ready for anything and builds trust. Now let's talk about the call itself. Start strong with a clear introduction and the reason you're calling. Grab their attention right away. Listen actively to their needs and concerns. This isn't just about selling, it's about solving their problems. If you're an agent, the goal is just setting up an appointment. Get them to say yes. Be persuasive in your language. Ask open-ended questions to uncover their pain points. If you ask for their time, you run the risk of being turned down. Instead, say something like, "Which day works better for you, Tuesday or Wednesday? Does 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. work?" Give limited choices and they will offer a time they are available. This helps you determine if your product is the right fit and positions you as a problem solver. Present your value proposition clearly, show them exactly how your product can make their life easier. Handling rejection is part of the game. Embrace it, learn from it, and keep moving forward. Stay positive and maintain a professional demeanor, no matter what. Don't forget the follow-up. If you can't reach someone directly, leave a concise voicemail, and always send a thank you email to reinforce your conversation and highlight key points. Remember, confidence and knowledge are your best tools in cold calling. Be prepared, be positive, and keep improving. You've got this. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more sales tips and tricks. Until next time, happy selling.